In this video, we'll do a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how you can buy and sell or deposit and withdraw digital currencies in 2024 with one very important app, Bybit, via P2P or other forms of payment. This video is for educational purposes only. Nothing I'm saying in this video is investment advice, and also make sure to check whether or not you can use the app in your region. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Be sure to hit that like button so more people can benefit from this video. Without further ado, let's get into it. First thing first, go to your app store and download the app, or you can click the first link in the description below. So you will see this page that shows up with my face asking you to join the app, and you'll see my referral code there in green. This link will give you $10 or even $100 when you make a deposit, and I will explain how you can get that in a moment. If you're downloading the app, it's the same thing you'll see. You'll just need to use the actual referral code displayed here, or you can copy it from the description below as well. It's 83167. It should show the green check mark, and you can then hit the sign up button. Once that is done, you should get a verification code sent to you. Make sure to check your inbox or maybe your spam folder. Do know that this verification code should time out in 1 minute, but you can request another one. Once that is done, you then need to verify your identity. This includes uploading a government ID and uploading a selfie. You can skip this, but I won't recommend you do. There's also a tab for demo trading, but the focus for now is how to open an account. So click on verify now and proceed. Once you click that, you should see identity verification for level 1. Once you click on verify now, you'll see your region and you can select the kind of document you want to use to verify your account. For accounts in somewhere like Nigeria, you can either use a BVN, ID card, driver's license, passport, or residence permit. However, the BVN is recommended here. You can also see in the requirements that it must be a government issued ID. If you had a previous verified Bybit account with that document, you have to use another one. And also, visas are not supported as a verification method. This verification method will ask you again for your residence and to complete the verification process. For the selfie, the environment should be well lit and have no clutter or stuff that can confuse your face, and you have to frame your face properly in the shot. Congrats, you are now level 1 verified. You can now deposit up to an equivalent of $50,000 daily and withdraw an equivalent of $1 million daily. If you want to be able to deposit $100,000 daily and withdraw up to $2 million daily, you will need to be level 2 verified. There's an upgrade now button for you. These are the documents that will be required from you, and these are the documents that are not acceptable. We, however, are not doing that for now. Welcome to Bybit. You are now a Bybit user. What can you do with the app? Well, today we'll talk about how you can deposit and withdraw on the app for mobile specifically. So here's how that goes. Let's start with what most people would likely do with an app like this, making a deposit. How do you put cash into your app and turn them into digital currencies? Well, there are two ways you can do that. The first one is with fiat. Fiat simply means your national currency, and the examples of that is naira, dollar, etc. Within fiat, you have P2P, which involves bank transfers and other options. The second one is buying with your card, and MasterCard and Visa are the supported ones here, by the way. So for fiat, it's bank transfers and cards, which are the two most common methods. The second option is to deposit via crypto. So if you have another wallet, let's say you have a hardware wallet or a wallet in another digital currency exchange or digital currency app, you can transfer via the blockchain of your choice from your app here to another app or to another exchange. Firstly, P2P. P2P simply means peer-to-peer, and what this means for you is you are trading as buyer and seller almost directly. Bybit gives peer-to-peer traders, in this case buyers and sellers of digital currencies, a platform where someone who is interested can buy and someone who has listed their digital currencies can sell. They also work with escrow, and for this, they lock the digital currency of the person that is selling, and until the buyer pays and both parties are satisfied with the transaction, that is when the digital currency is released. This way, there's security and no one is getting scammed. To deposit, make sure you are remaining on this buy tab right here, then select the digital currency or coins that you want to get. You get to see all the trades that are available, and you simply type in the amount you want to buy, say 100,000. You'll then see the orders that match your requirement. Some orders will show up as ineligible, which may mean that I cannot transact with this person. And this happens when you are either new to the app or you are a new user or you don't have enough trades, and not everyone can trade with you. They have a threshold of how much traders should have made before you can trade with them as well. So there's also those kinds of ineligibilities. To fix this, you simply click on filter here and click on show only eligible ads. Then we'll look for someone that we like their rates or that is online, or we like their rates and don't forget we like their terms. By default, you will always get the lowest ratings at the top, so no need to scroll down too much unless you're looking for something else. Don't just click on buy yet, click on the listing first and again read the terms. Some sellers don't like receiving transfers from certain banks, so you want to be sure of what you're seeing before you conclude. Once you click and you're okay with the terms, simply type how much you want to get from them in the digital currency or in the coin you want. And I personally recommend typing out the fiat amount to avoid any confusion. Click on buy, you will then see an account that you want to pay into, and once you've paid, you will get a deposit, or the coin or digital currency will be released to you. The next is buy or deposit with your currency via card or one-click buy. You simply select how much you want to deposit and it charges to match the amount in USD or USDT in this case. So if I type 100,000 for instance, I can see the equivalent and then the rate. And then there's deposit with crypto. Once I click on deposit, it first asks me to be sure of the chain type I want to make a deposit to. The chain type is selected in this network area and you must only deposit the currency to that address, the currency that matches that chain type, so that you don't deposit anything else, because if you do, you will risk losing that digital currency. All right, let's talk withdrawal or selling. When you click on withdraw, you'll see the digital currency you have asset value in, or the currency that has money. Once you click on it, you can withdraw that currency on chain via the blockchain, that is, to another wallet address, or you can transfer within Bybit to another person that also uses Bybit. For the on-chain withdrawal, you need to, of course, select the coin or digital currency, add the address, choose the network and the amount. For internal transfers, all you need is the email, number or user ID of the person that has a Bybit account. Then you can enter the amount and it all works similarly. Now, if you want to withdraw or sell via the P2P method, you simply click funding, click on the digital currency you have value in, and you'll see some options. P2P trading should be one of them, and click on that. You will then see options to buy or sell. In this case, the option is to sell or to withdraw. Simply click on sell. You will then see other currencies as well here, the amount, payment method, and you can also filter to show results that are only verified advertisers or eligible ads. And just like we said, and these are the ads that people will be willing to trade with you based on how long you've been on the platform. Once you click on a rate that you like, you can either enter the amount you want via the currency or fiat. Make sure to read the details and the terms of the seller in the description before you accept. Once you enter that, you can then proceed to sell. Make sure again that the name of the person that sends you some money matches the seller name on the app. The seller's currency will be in escrow, and only until you receive the money in your account with the similar name will you then click on release to release the currency or release your digital assets from escrow to the person that you're selling to. Once you receive the money and you click on release, you can then add the authentication code. If you haven't yet, you need to have an authenticator app. Google Authenticator is one of the best ones to use, and this will give you a code that you can use for your withdrawal. You will use this throughout the app and it will help you a lot for the safety of your app and your funds. As a bonus, if you deposit $100 and trade up to $500, you can see here that you will get $10. That's like a 2% gain. If you deposit up to $3,000 and trade up to $6,000, you can actually get $100. Again, almost similar, and the higher deposits, the higher the rewards, of course. So if that's something that you like to do, you can actually just download the app and make a deposit and start earning immediately. If you also want to learn a whole lot from me and other experts when it comes to digital currencies, I've created a link below to the community where you can learn everything as much as possible. You can also enable Face ID. If you want to log in faster, you'll head to the profile icon, security, biometric authentication, and enable Face ID. You need to enter your Bybit password first, and once you do that, it's set. In this video, I taught you how to set up an account. I taught you how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to get a bonus if you sign up with my code, of course, so you get like $10, $100, or higher free gift amount depending on how you deposit. And I also taught you how to protect your account by making sure you download an authenticator app. And that app is not only helpful for maybe a Bybit account, you can use it throughout any apps that support it and you have serious logins with. If you have any questions about the app, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll be right there chatting with you guys.